Now, we are given this question to simplify addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what division. Let's start with addition. Simplify 2 all over 3 plus 2. Now remember that we cannot say 2 plus 2 all over 3 because here is having a denominator of 1. So we are going to pick the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 gives us 2. We put our plus here. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 2 gives us what? 6. So here we are going to have 8 all over what? 3. Now we can't leave it like this. How many times can 3 go into 2? To 8. It's going to go how many times? 2 times. That is, we put this 3. That means 2 times 3 will give us 6. Remainder what? 2. Now we are done. Let's go to subtraction. Like we say, this one is having the denominator of 1 because 2 divided by 1 is still 2. So what is the LCM of 3 and 1? The LCM is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times these 2 at the numerator is 2. We put our minus. 3 divided by 1 is still 3. 3 times minus 2 will give us what? This minus 6. From there we are going to have 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 will give us what? Minus 4 all over 3. And this is the proper fraction because minus 4 is less than 3. We can leave it like this. Now let's go to multiplication. We see that this denominator is having 1. Here we are going to have what? 2 times 2. So we are going to have 2 times 2 over what? 3 times 1. We times this 2 by 2. We times this 3 by 1. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. Then 3 times 1 is 3. We can't limit. This is improper fraction. How many times can 3 go into 4? It's going to go 1 time. Remember 1 all over 3. This 3 that I said. That 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is still 4 all over 3. Now let's go to the final one, which is what? 2 all over 3. 2 all over 3, we say that this one is having the denominator of 1 divided by 1 all over 2 over 1. We say that in division, we are going to change the division sign to multiplication. So we are going to have 2 all over 3 times, and you see these 2 that is up will come down. Then the 1 will go up. You have 1 all over 2. So in that case, we are going to have 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. We cannot leave our answer like this. Why? 2 can divide 2, and 2 can divide 6. So what we have? 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 6 is 3. So from the addition sign, we have 2 over 2 all over 3. From the subtraction sign, we have what? Minus 4 all over 3. And from the what? Multiplication side, we have what? 1 over 1 all over 3. And from the division side, we have what? 1 all over 3. That is the beauty of fraction. Thank you.